Hi everyone, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. My today's video is another household trash to treasure video because everybody is now staying at home. It's time to be very creative and staying positive. I'm bringing you this trash to treasure video so that you find all the supplies in your home, find alternative methods, alternative items that are there in your home or stash, and do your DIY, do your crafting and stay positive and creative. My today's video is part of the Spring Farmhouse DIY challenge being hosted by Heidi Sonboul, and I'll put a link to Heidi's channel along with the playlist that she has created in my description box below for more ideas. My channel is all about picking up something ordinary and using different kinds of skills, turn it into something beautiful and useful for home and for your loved ones. And if you love the content of my channel and are new here, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit the little bell icon so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's DIYs are very simple. There's nothing much to explain. I'm starting with a box. This is the case of an old empty whiskey bottle box. One can use shoe box or any kind of cardboard box, or if you have a wooden carton or a wooden box, you can use that as well. Any kind of box that will help your decor or your organization will do. This is a garland that I made during my Valentine's. I have videos in my DIY and decor playlist related to that, and I made the tassels also in many videos in my past. You can check those videos how I made garlands and tassels, and if you want to know how I make tassels again, do let me know in the comments below. Here I have different assortments of beads, some big white ones, ceramic greens, some neutral light pale whites, some wooden browns, a tassel made of jute rope, and I prefer to use yarn because it's very easy to work with, especially if I put it on a yarn needle, it becomes really easy. On the other end of the garland, I decided to add, matching with these green beads, a green ring. I just found it somewhere in my stash. I hope you liked my today's DIY. It's modern farmhouse yet has this beautiful neutral fresh look to it. I'm liking it in my home and I'm going to use this not only for decor as well as organization. I love this garland. This is going to stay here for the spring as well as summer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and if you're new here, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification bell. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and be creative.